Joe show since like Ozark, really.
Yeah, it's. I don't want to say it's like
Ozark was fucking great.
I don't want to say it. God, there is some fucked up shit in that show. Well, we're just gonna need a catch can. Put a nice vented John on it. All day.
So it was probably what, like 3-4 months ago or something like that when we built this?
I don't know if you track anymore, Garrett. Yeah.
It was something along those lines.
What the fuck was I just gonna do?
This thing made like 1,050 wheel or something crazy. And I guess the stock trans wasn't super happy with that.
Man, I just got hit in the face with water on doing that clamp, and I thought about that thing you tagged me on.
It's kind of cool looking how that exhaust is like fucking bluing. I assume that's just from how hot it's getting. These things.
I didn't even buckle.
Anybody waiting for some sort of asshole reamer?
What?
Does that have our name on it?
Oh, it's our brush.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
Yeah, me too.
I'm ready to get the trans putting it.
Yeah, I had to put a rear main seal on it, which I did. Plugs, which I did. I need to put a trans in it, which the old one's already out, obviously. We're putting the rebuilt one from RPM in it. And then it's getting a catch can and a P3 and a oil change.
And we started talking
Galaxy.
about like, how there's most likely how big is the
Space
universe
in general.
outside of our solar system? Oh, like there's definitely other planets with things on it.
Aliens.
Yeah.
There would be aliens.
Maybe dinosaurs. We need to bring Matt.
I mean, Matt's
So-
not on Earth.
Matt is.
Oh, yeah.
So is Fletcher.
That's ridiculous. I don't know how you could
I mean, I completely agree.
Access 2020s for 39 grand, like 20,000 miles.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I mean,
What does she want, Eric?
Forerunner.
Really?
Yeah. I like the Forerunners too.
you could easily get into that for $500 a month.
We're stuck on that little clip right there. This is gonna work.
You guess the right one diagonal ways.
Oh my god. It's just gonna work, dude. Like, just going to work. Yeah.
I'm glad we were able to make use of that little pallet.
Oh, Jesus.
It's almost time for the forklift to get the bring the trans over.
No, it's time.
Look at that shiny new drone.
Don't talk to me like that, Garrett. You alright over there?
Yeah. Are you alright?
I'm completely fine. Just looked like you were staring off into space over there. You know what you were doing.
Just getting this good footage.
About time you filmed something. Yeah. Missed all the good shit. Just pulling the fucking fluids in now. Nice work, Garrett. Put that on your resume. Not after you just finish your complete day of work. Yeah. You gonna wipe this thing down, or are you gonna make it look like shit?
I mean, I could use a wipe down. I thought maybe Garrett would do something instead of just watching us work all day, but I guess I'll get it.
Eric, what are you doing to this thing?
repairing it.
You gonna make it any faster or what?
Now it already has 1 horsepower.
Yeah, we're gonna have it give it 1.5.
Yeah.
Pretty much get it going whenever you want.
God, these reelers fucking coming at you.
He's like a fucking tickle me Elmo.
That thing making any power or what?
Yeah, 830 already.
Any E in it?
Yes,
Okay, I figured.
it is on.
Nice.
It did make 812 just on pump.
Really?
Yeah, thing's ripping.
You hearing this upsetness over here, Garrett?
No, he's real upset.
I mean, what else is new?
Ever since I told him I'm finding a new welder, he's
Yeah.
just,
He is upset.
Eric, it's after 9. It's fair game.
Go to hell.
How's your gauge coming along?
I mean, if you weren't filming from that side, you'd be able to tell, bud.
Let's see. Oh, it's in there.
All right, we did this thing a little while ago. We just had a trans refreshed in it, and I actually redid some of the tune too, because I wasn't happy with some things. So I redid that, and then it's got a small, like, little tire on it. I don't know if this tire was on it last time or not, but it's got like a 25.9 inch tire on it. Stump pump gas right now, it's just made like 960 or so. I did a shift already, but I'll redo it again because I'm playing with it. I added auto upshift because I don't think I did that last time it was here. So I'm going to try to do that now and see if it shifts. Do a 4.5. It's not going to hook any lower than that. This thing makes too much power. I'll make a pull first and then I'll do trans. Tacker's fucked up. I must have not hit record. I must have not hit record. Whatever, let me look at the log. Whatever, I don't care. I don't need power numbers on it. I'll just see if it shifts. Shot a big flame out.
Might have been the biggest fireball. I felt the heat.
I know, I heard it. I can hear when they're big or not. And I was like, I just said, I said that was a big flame.
Yeah. I felt the heat off of that one.
Do we have some of that 50% E stuff? Let me see how much fuel's in this thing. What's this one right here? Is that the one no one knows?
Yeah, it's a mystery.
Can we just dump that out or something? Alright, it's got like a quarter tank, so we're good.
I gotta take that. Put this 40 in there?
Yeah.
You figured out why I was running shitty before?
I just redid the whole math curve, like, cause, like on the earlier ones of these, like the math curve was like weird set up like factory, and I guess I just still had it like that, and then now I rescaled the whole thing. It's got 30% in, and I just want to check it. That's all. it for a second, and then I'll just check this shift, and then this thing's good. The auto upshift deal. All right, this thing's done. Made like 960 on pump gas just now. I don't remember what it made last time it was here. Like 1,000 something, 1,020 or 1,030, something like that. We just refreshed the trans, and that was really it. Later.